Hey guys, how's it going? How to remove SPayLater in Shopee. The SPayLater is that one right here, right? I pressed it. So basically, the SPayLater that allows you to have a balance, and then you're gonna pay it out later after you buy that product, whoever it might be. You will have a specific limit, right? So you can buy in Shopee like a wallet kind of thing, right? So if you wanted to delete your SPayLater, once SPayLater is activated, it cannot be removed from the app. However, you can choose not to use it for your Shopee purchases, so you won't be able to actually delete it once you activate it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.